Hello, my dear friends. Hello. Hello, my dear friends. Hello. Good afternoon, Janesha. Good afternoon, Satish boy. So, Satish boy is here. Janesha Arya is here. So, hello, guys. Good afternoon. How are you doing this morning? Actually, it's afternoon. So, I hope you have had your breakfast and you're all ready for the YouTube session for grade 5 and 6. Okay, Divyanshi Mohanty is here. Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing? Yes, guys. Sorry, Dibyanshi Mohanty and Satish Boy and Janesh Arya are here. So, good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. How was your morning? What did you do? You can write it in the chat box. If you want to share anything, you can write in the chat box. And I'll also remind you that in this okay, that's great, guys. I mean to say, Divyanshi. So again, today I'll remind you of the rule that whenever you give the answer, you will have to write your name with it. For example, if you say option C, then you will have to write your okay. Hi Viraj, how are you? Hi Kriti. So like last week, so what we'll do is that whenever we'll give the answer, we'll write our name with it. For example, if you think it is option D is correct, you write D Kriti. Okay. Dibyanshi is saying she had a great morning and it's raining hard. That is great. It's the monsoon season. Okay. So what I was saying that whenever you'll give the answer, what you'll do is you'll write your answer and okay, Viraj, that's great to hear that everything is going fine. So what you'll do, uh, what you guys will do when you'll give the answer, for example, Satish gives the answer. Hi, Satish. So Satish says it's option D and Satish or D Satish for the question. Okay. So like that you will answer. That will be again your rule today that whenever you give the answer, you will write the option along with your name like last week. And you did really well last week, all of you guys. So I hope you'll be able to do likewise this week. Okay. So should we start? What do you guys say? Send me two thumbs up and lots of emojis if you want to start. Tell me. Okay. So what do you guys say? Should we start? I think we'll start. Okay, Viraj. Okay, Satish and Kriti and Dibyanshi and Janesha Arya. So we know the rules now. So I think most of you are here. So we'll start. Let's see. So this is me and Matt, and welcome to our um, session for grade 5 and 6. It is session number 14 for grade 5 and 6, and we will be doing a few questions. Okay, it will be regarding fractions, of course. As you know, before starting the presentation, from the thumbnail. So, so which of the following is equal to 1 by 3? So there are four sums in front of you, or four, you know, um, expressions that you have to tell me which one of them is equal to 1 by 3. Is it this, or is it this, or is it this, or is it this? Which one? So write your option along with your name. Kriti says D. Kriti says D. Okay, 2 by 6 divided by 6 by 2. Sorry, divided by 2 by 6. Kriti says D. Anybody else? Anybody else? So Viraj also says D. Okay, D. Anybody else? If you could, whoever is giving the answer, uh, Janesha says D. 2 by 6 divided by 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. Okay. Janesha says D. Viraj says D. Kriti says D. Anybody else? So anybody who's giving the answer, if they are able to write an explanation, little small explanation that why do you think it is D? You three people have said D. Viraj has said D. Three students, I mean to say, Kriti has said D. Janisha has said D. Divyanshi is also saying D. So all of you guys are like you are talking to each other and saying D. But is D correct? Can anybody? How is 2 by 6 divided by 2 by 6? I'm saying this is divide. Even if it was plus, and 2 by 3 divided by 1, 1 divided by 4 by 6, and 1 by 12 into 4. Which one is equal to 1 by 3? It's saying which one is equal to 1 by 3. Can anybody explain? Can anybody write in the comment chat box that why it is equal to 1 by 3? Satish, what's your answer? Okay, Divyanshi says it's A, 2 by 3 divided by 1. Is it though? Let's check your answers. Let's check. So some of you said D. Okay, most of you said D. So is it D? No, it is not D. Okay, so D is not D. And Divyanshi says A. Let's check A. No, it's not A. It's neither A. It's not, nor it is D. What is it? You guys didn't come up with an explanation why you are saying D or A. Anybody else? Anybody else who can give me the right answer? Now Satish says B, but nobody is giving me the answer. Hi Athar. Viraj is saying B. No, no, you are not getting this one. You people are not starting off amazingly today, this afternoon. So Viraj is saying B. Satish is now saying B. Before that, you guys were saying D and A. Now Deb Bandari is saying C. Deb Bandari, you if it is your name, then you still have to write C and your name. Flamer is saying C, but Flamer, you have to write your name. C, what is your name? Dev Bhandari, C, what is, and Viraj has come full circle towards C. But you have to write your name, Dev Bhandari C, and what is your name, so that I know that you are actually Dev Bhandari, or if you are using your parents' account or anything. C part Viraj. Flamer says her name is Kriti, but Flamer, and after every answer, I told you the rule. You have to write C Kriti like that. C Kriti. Debanda, you have to write C and your name. So next time you guys answer, write the option along with your name. And can anybody give whoever is saying C? Can anybody give me the reasoning how you did it? Why is it C? You can write in a line or so. Atharv is saying D, but we checked D. D is not the correct answer. I think Athar might have joined late. We checked D. D is not the correct answer. Kriti is saying C. Yes, very good. Like that. Like that, you have to send your answers. You have to send your answers like that. That is good. Aryadipta. Yeah. So whenever you give the answer, you write like C Aryadipta, or you can even write C Arya. I will know you are Arya. Aryadipta. So nobody is able to write me an explanation, and I think C. Let's check C. Is C the correct answer? 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 divided 12 divided by 4 is 3, yeah, or 4 divided by 12, yeah, where I just try to explain. That is good. So let's check C. Indeed, C is the correct answer. And how? I'll show you also. So 1 by 12 into 4 can be written as 1 by 12 into 4 by 1, since any whole number is divided can be divided by 1 and expressed as a fraction like this. And then you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 1 will be multiplied by 4 and 12 will be multiplied by 1. So this will be 4 by 12. And if we factorize it, okay, if we factorize it, if I derive the factorization means what? If I divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So I will factorize it 4 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. So if I divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number, the fraction is factorized and overall value will remain the same. So I will say that 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 12 divided by 4 is obviously 3. So the answer is 1 by 3. So this C answer is correct as we just saw. So C will be correct, since what I'll do is 1 by 12 into 4 by 1, 4 divided by 4, 12 divided by 4, and it will come as 1 by 3. Very good, Satish. No Roblox comments here. Come on, concentrate for the next half an hour or so. You will learn something. Come on, Satish. Don't write Roblox things here. Okay, moving on. Okay, tell me the answer to the next question. So whoever tells me the answer to the next question and does this quickly, and you know whoever tells me the answer to the next question and does it quickly and without typing in stray comments, that will be that person will get a lot of emojis and two thumbs up from me. So tell me, if Priya had 3,200 ml of olive oil and she used 2 by 5 of it in the first week and 1 by 8 of it in the second week, how much oil was left? So, if Priya had 3,200 ml of olive oil, she used 2 by 5 of it in the first week and 1 by 8 of it in the second week. How much oil was left? So, send me an option with your name. Come on. And you can write even an explanation, small explanation you can write of how you arrived at the answer. Come on, Priya had 3,200 ml of olive oil. She used 2 by 5 of it in the first week and 1 by 8 of it in the second week. How much oil was left? Tell me in the chat. Tell me the option along with the name. The option along with the name. Come on, you guys. Come on, whoever gives me the answer, will get a lot of emojis from me, and he'll get two thumbs up. And he can, you know, if the person who's getting most questions right at the end of the session will be called a legend. He'll be a legend. His name will go down in YouTube history. Okay, so we can do that. We can call him a legend at the end. Okay, Viraj is saying D part. All right, all right. Anybody else? We'll then see who has got it right. So Viraj is saying D. Jemish is saying C. Okay. Janesha is saying D. Satish is not saying anything, worth noting. He's saying something doesn't make sense, but others are. Janesha is saying D. Jemish is saying C. Viraj is saying D. Come on, guys. Let us check D first, since two of you said D. Let's check D. Arya, okay. Arya Dipta is saying A. So let me check. Viraj is saying D again. So let me check D first. Let me. So is it D? Oh no, D is not the option. D is not the correct option. So let's check Jamish's answer. Jamish said C. Let's check C. Okay, C is indeed correct. Jamish is on the way to become a legend. Okay, so lots of emojis from me for Jamish. Jamish for you. This emoji is for you, and you're 100% correct, Jamish. Well done, Jamish. So see, you got lots of emojis from your teacher today, and because you're a very good student, and you have given the correct answer. And Jamish, can you give a small explanation why? And Kriti is also saying C. Well done. Okay, but we checked it, I think. So, Kriti, well done. Well done to you also, Kriti. So you guys tell me, and if anybody can give a small explanation in the comment box, then that how they arrived at the answer. So what the question says that Priya had 3,200 ml of olive oil. She used 2 by 5 of it in the first week. So whenever the word Janesha says see good, so whenever the word off is there, if you remember, whenever this word off is there, of it, when you have to find a fraction of a number, fraction of a number, we go for multiplication. Okay, 3,200 by 2 by 5. Well done, Kriti. Yes, Kriti is saying the correct thing. Emojis for you too, Kriti. This is for you. Okay. Yes, Janisha, Jamish. I think Jamish. Abik is Jamish. Well done. 3,200 minus 1 to 1. Where did she get it from? So 2 by 5 of 3,200 you had to calculate first. So if 2,002 by 5 of 3,200, what was the value? So we see it if it is 5 ones, this is 5 sixes, and 4s, 0. 640 into 2 is indeed 1280. So this will be first 1280. So she used in the first week, she used 1280 ml. This is for the first week. Like Kriti and Jamish especially have said. So, once you get 1280, so then the question says she used 1 by 8 of it in the second week. So let's check. Let's check 1 by 8 in the second week. So 1 by 8 into 3,200 is what? So since I told you that of, you have to find a fraction of a number. So the question here is 2 by 5 of it, 1 by 8 of it. You multiply that fraction with the number. So 1 by 8 into 3,200 is indeed 8 ones and 8 400s, isn't it? So we got 400 also here, we got 1280 also here. So when we got both, yeah, Divyanshi, C, well done. So when we got both these values, so this is 1680. We 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 subtract 3200 was the total. So minus 1280, which was used in the first week, and thereafter we subtract 400, which was in the second week, and then we get the answer, which is 1520 ml. Okay, which is your option C. All right, Ayushi C, well done. To Ayushi also, to Divyanshi also, to Kriti also, to Janesha also C, well done, Janesha. And but the first one to get it correct, along with the explanation, was Jamish. So who is on way to become a legend? It is Jamish. Okay, well done, Jamish. Okay, Satish, well done. Satish is also saying C. Well done. Okay. So it was C the correct answer? Yes, C was the correct answer. Well done. Let's move on. Okay. So this one should be an easy one now. Tell me, you guys. So select the correct match of mixed fractions in column 1 with improper fractions in column 2. So only one of these four are correctly matched. Means either this is equal to this, and or this is equal to this, or this is equal to this, or this is equal to this. Out of these four, only one is correct. You have to tell me which one is correctly matched. So is it option A? Is it option B? Is it option C? Is it option D? Give me the option along with your name, and whoever gives the option along with the name then can write a small explanation why. I'll get you guys. If you write a small explanation, I'll know that how you do. But first, the option along with the name. Then I'll ask a small explanation from that child. So Jamish says D. Okay, Jamish, can you write me a small explanation in the chat box? Like you did in the earlier question. I told you are on the way to become a legend. So you can become a legend. Okay, Janesha says D also. Jamish says D. Anybody else? But you guys have to write a small explanation so that I know that you did it yourself and you understood. Okay, Jamish is saying 8 into 3 plus 10 is equal to 34 and divided by 3. Well done, Jamish. I think you are already a legend in my eyes. So lots of emojis for you. Let me send you these emojis, Jamish. Well done. Jamesh and Janesha have given the right answers first, but Jamesh has come with an explanation also in the chat box. But I think Janesha has also given the answer first, so that is great. And Ayushi says D, and Divyabshi says D. Well done, guys. Everybody is saying D now. Satish is just writing his name, he's not saying the option. Okay, Deb, I remember your name, but you have, oh yeah, Arya Dipta, you have to write your name also. Oh, all right. Aryadipta is saying D, but from next time write like D Arya. At least write Arya in the option. So I think you guys, many of you have got it correct. Divyabshi has got it correct. Okay, Ayushi is giving the right explanation. Well done, Ayushi. Janesha has said D. Jamesh has said D along with the explanation, and Ayushi has said D. And the Divyabshi has said T, and they have given explanations also. So that is well done to you guys. Well done. So let me check. 8 into 3 is 24, plus 10 is 34. So when we change and a mixed fraction, well done, Ayushi. So when we change a mixed fraction into an improper, what we do is we change multiply the whole number by the denominator of the mixed part. So what we do is we multiply 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is indeed 24. And then we add the numerator, isn't it? We add the numerator. So we will multiply 8 into 3 plus 10. So that will be 34. And then I'll write in the denominator of the mixed part also. That's how we do it. So this is 34 by 3, so we know this is correctly matched. So you guys were correct. Okay, so for example, let us take any other fraction. For this C part, 10 in multiplied by 4 is 40. So you have to multiply the whole number with the denominator. So 10 multiplied by 4 is 40 plus 6. Then you have to add the numerator of the mixed part. So that is 46 but by 10. But this here is written 40 by 10. So this will be wrong. Similarly, this one is also wrong. And similarly, this one is also wrong. You can check it. So that is the point I'm trying to make, that only the D part is correctly matched. The whole number multiplied by the denominator plus the numerator is 34 by 3 only in option D. So let us check if it is correct. Jamish got it first. Janesha has also got it correct. Well done, Janesha. And Ayushi has got it correct. But Janesha and Jamish have given me the Janisha, Ayushi, and Jamish have given me the explanation also. So that is well done on their part. Others have also got it, Aryadipta and everybody, and Divyapshi has got it correct. So that is great. So let me click on D. D is the correct answer. And Satish tried to do the questions and try to give me the answer and give me the explanation. Well done to you also and everybody. Okay, moving on to the next question. Come on, you guys. Okay, read this question now. So the health club advises every child to drink 2 3 by 4 liters of water in the morning. So 2 3 by 4 liters of water in the morning the health club has advised. Then 1 7 by 8 liters in the afternoon. Okay. And 1 by 2 liters or half a liter before going to bed. So how much water should a child drink in the whole day? Come on you guys, give me the option along with your name. It is a very simple problem. So you can just give me the option along with your name and tell me what did you do? Did you do addition? Did you do subtraction? Did you do division or multiplication? I'll get what you have done. Come on, you guys. Come on, Satish. You also try the question. You can do it. You can you can do it, my dear child. You can do it. Come on, try the question. So the health club has advised 2 3 by 4 liters of water in the morning, 1 7 by 8 liter in the afternoon, and half a liter before going to bed. How much water should a child drink in the whole day? Okay, Ayushi says D. Ayushi says D. Ayushi, can you give me the explanation? Anybody else who has solved it? So I'll try to help you guys. Jamish says A, 5 1 by 8. All right. Anybody else? And Jamish, can you give me the explanation? Okay, I think Kriti. Kriti, you are not writing your name A. You are saying A. Yes, Kriti A. Jamish A. So can you give me your explanation? So 2 3 by 4, if I convert it into an improper fraction, so it will be 2 multiplied by 4 here plus 3, isn't it? So the whole number multiplied by the denominator of the mixed part plus the numerator. So that will be 11. Okay, Jamish is giving me indeed the right answer, I think. So yeah, okay, because she has converted an 11 by 4 into a like fraction of this one. So this the second mixed fraction is 8 into 1 plus 7 is 15 by 8 indeed, and then it is 1 by 2. And in order to add them, Jamish has converted. Ganesha is saying A, Divyanshi is saying A. Well done. And Jamish has said A first, and others are saying Divyanshi is saying A, and Kriti is saying A. Jamish has given uh, the explanation also. So 11 by 4, 15 by 8, and 1 by 2, when you have to add, you have to change 11 by 4 and 1 by 2 into like fractions of it. 15 by 8, you try like that. So it will become 11 by 4 will become 22 by 8, as Jamish is saying, and 1 by 2 will become 4 by 8, isn't it? This will become 4 by 8. So this is 22 by 8, this is 4 by 8, this is 15 by 8. So this So 22 plus 15 plus 4 is what? 41 by 8, as Jamesh is saying. And when we change that for 41 by 8, which will be the final answer, but the answer here is given in mixed form. So 8 into what? A 41 divided by 8 will be 5 will be the dividend, 1 will be the remainder, and 8 will be the divisor. So this will become 5, 1 by 8 in total, and option A will be correct. Divyachi is saying C, but I don't think it is C. You can check the explanation I have given on the presentation itself. You can even rewind it and check it again if you were not able to understand. So it is simply an addition problem. So if a health club advises every child to drink, well done Ayushi. Ayushi has done the correct thing. She is saying 22 plus 15 by 8, but 4 by 8 also. Ayushi? Ayushi, C won't be there because you aren't adding half a liter, another half liter here. So 2, 3 by 4, 1 is 7 by 8, and half a liter before going to bed. So this is simply an addition problem. The logic is that you add all the three quantities of water together. So this is the addition of fractions problem, but it's in the mixed form. So you change it into an improper fraction, then change the improper fractions into like fractions, and then add them. And when you get the answer, you change it back to the mixed form. And 5 1 by 8, I think, is the correct answer. So let me check. Let us check option A. Option A is indeed the correct answer. So Jamish, well done, well done. The well done Arya and Ayushi and Janesha and Kriti. Everybody, all of you have given the right answer. Jamesh has given the explanation first, like the earlier question. So well done, Jamesh. Proud of you. These emojis are for now all of you, including Janesha and Ayushi and Arya and Divyachi. But this one is for Jamesh alone. Okay, since Jamesh is on course to become a legend. Okay. Okay, Satish, well done. Well done, Satish, to you also. Okay, Arya says A, so well done. Moving on. So this question. The price of a meter of cloth is rupees 12 and a half. So the price of a meter of a cloth is rupees 12 and a half. What will be the price of 5, 7 by 15 meter of the same cloth? Sorry. So this should be an easy one. Tell me. Tell me the option and your name, and you can give me a small explanation in the chat. Then we'll discuss the question. So the price of a meter of cloth is 12 and a half rupees. What would be the price of 5, 7 by 15 meter of the cloth? Come on, my dear friends, tell me. Come on, should be quite easy. So again, since this is in mixed form, what we'll do, I'll give you a hint, you'll change it into the improper form. So this 12 and a half becomes 25 by 2, and 5 15, 5 7 by 15 is 5 15s are 75, plus 7 is 82. This becomes 82 by 15. And then what we will do? So if the price of a meter of a cloth is given, and you know that the I have to find the price of 5 7 by 15, it should be quite easy for you what to do. Is it is an addition problem, a multiplication problem, a subtraction problem, or a division problem? Tell me. Write the option. You can write it for this question. You can simply write the option and your name, and if it is an addition problem, a subtraction problem, a multiplication problem, or a division problem. That's it. Write three things: option, name, and the kind of problem. Option, name, and kind of problem. आप मुझे बोलिए कि कौन सा ऑप्शन है, अपना नाम लिख दीजिए, और जो किस तरह की प्रॉब्लम है, एडिशन प्रॉब्लम है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्रॉब्लम है, डिवीजन प्रॉब्लम है, वो साथ। कम ऑन गाइस। Okay, Mitali Srivastav says A, but along with your name, Mitali, you have to write your name along with the option. What is your real name? Is it your parents' profile? Could be your parents' profile. That's why I need the name. Janesha says A. See, Mitali, like Janesha is saying. Janesha says A also. Vihan says A. Okay, Mitali is Vihan. Vihan says A. And tell me if it is a multiplication problem or a division problem, or how did you arrive? Ayushi says A. Well done, Ayushi. Well done, Mitali. Well done, Vihan, I mean to say. Sorry. Vihan, well done. Janesha A, well done. And Divyanshi's answer is not in the options, but let's see. Let's check. Maybe our presentation is incorrect. We don't mind. Let us see. Screen is loading. I think I can see the stream. I think Divyanshi's maybe your there is a problem with your internet connection, because others are able to see. Is going on all right? Ayushi says C. Vihan says sorry. Ayushi says A. Vihan says A. Janesha says A. Multiplication says Jamish. Well done, Jamish. Others are saying A. So simply, what you have to do in this question, you have to multiply the as I converted this 12 and a half into 25 by 2. This is the improper form, isn't it? 12 into 2 is 24, plus 1 is 25 by 2, into 15 into 5 is 75, plus is 82 by 15, isn't it? And when you multiply these numbers, okay, you will be able to get the numerator into numerator and the denominator into denominator. So it will be what? Jamish, tell me. 25 into 82 is what? Or you can even do the factorization here. 2 ones and 241. So you just have to multiply then 41 by 25 and divide it by 15 to get a mixed form. 1729 by 30 is somebody's answer. I think it is Divyanshi's. Jamish, did you get the answer? I think Janisha has said A, Vihans has said A, Ayushi has said A. Okay, so let's check if A is the correct answer. A? Oh no, A is not the correct answer. It's a multiplication problem, yes. So what is the mixed for? Just multiply 25 into 41 and divide it by 15. Do that. You will get your mixed form. So 25 into 41 will be what? Is 1025, and if you divide 1025 by 15, what will you get? So 1025 divided by, sorry, 1025 divided by 15, in this case, if you simply divide that, I think the answer will be 68 and something, and there is only one option with 68 there, so this is 68 1 by 3. I think C option will be there. So what I did is I simply multiplied the two. It is a multiplication problem. Since you know the price of meter of cloth, and you have to find the price of 5 7 by 15 meters, so more than a meter you have to find. So it will become a multiplication problem, since you have to find the price of many meters and you know the price of 1 meter. So I multiplied this fraction with this fraction, and it became 1025 into 15. I multiplied by numerator and denominator by denominator. So Janesha is now saying C. Yeah, me, Jamish, I think it is 1025 by 15, not 5. So I think Ayushi is saying C, Arya is saying C. So C option, I think, is correct, like I showed you on the screen. So it was a multiplication problem. Let's check C. And Jamish also says C. Well done, you guys. So let me click on C. C is the correct now, and I hope you understood and you were quite involved in the answer building. So well done, Jamish. In any way you were able to find. Okay, it was a multiplication problem. We knew it. So these emojis from me for you guys. Okay, this is from me. Well done, you guys. Well done for trying, and well done to arriving at the right answer in the end. And you understood, I hope, that it was a multiplication problem. Okay, well done. Let's check the next question. So Shweta bought 7 1 by 4 meter lace for making a dress. If 1 by 6 meter of the lace is left, what length of a lace was used by her? Very easy question. So she had some length of lace at the beginning for making a dress, Shweta, and then at the end she had 1 by 6 meters left. So how much length was used by her? Quite an easy question. So you write me the option, the answer, and your name and the kind of problem it is. Is it a subtraction problem? Is it an addition problem, multiplication or division? Whatever the kind of problem is. Come on, tell me. Come on, who wants to be the legend? I think Jamish is leading you guys. Others are also legends in their own right, but Jamish is the bigger legend here right now. But others like Janesha and Ayushi and Vihan and I think Arya and Divyanshi, everybody is trying and they are also legends. And they are getting many answers right. And Kriti also. Kriti, yes. Kriti, where have you been? Why aren't you writing answers for these questions? Come on, you guys, tell me the answer to this one. It is a subtraction problem indeed, Jamish. Jamish has written subtraction. And what is the correct answer? So 7 1 by 4 was was bought and 1 by 6 was left at the end. So how much was the length of the lace which was used by her? So we will simply do what? As Jimmy says, it's a subtraction problem. So we'll write 7 1 by 4 minus 1 1 by 6, and we'll try to solve it. And what will be the answer? So Vihan says a lot. Jimmy says 73 by 12. Yes, you have to change it into mixed form. It will be 6 and something, isn't it? And Vihan says A. Vihan says a lot. But Gayatri there, I mean Gayatri is Divyanshi. So she says C, well done. Jamish is saying 73. Ayushi is saying A. But Divyanshi and Jamish are saying, many of you people are saying A. Let's check A first. So is A the correct answer? A is not the correct answer, guys. It is a subtraction problem, so I have to subtract out of 7 1 by 4 1 1 by 6. So 7 minus 1 is already 6, so it has to be less than 7. So it cannot be 7 1 by 3, guys. Yes. So Ayushi says A, Vihan says A. So 7 1 by 4 minus 1 1 by 6. Many of you are saying C. Let's check C. Is C the correct answer? C is indeed the correct answer. Okay. Janesha is saying C. Viraj is saying B, but B is not the correct answer. C is the correct answer. 7 in order to change mixed into improper, you multiply 7 by 4 plus 1 is 29. Okay, so 29 by 4 minus 6 minus 7 by 6. And if you do that, 12 will be the LCM. 4 threes are 12. Isn't it? And 29 threes are 70. 29 threes are, I think, 87. Isn't it? Is it 87? It is 73, sorry. Since 4 threes are and are 87 minus 6 twos and 14, and it will become indeed 73 by 12, which is equal to 6 1 by 12 in the mixed form. So C option will be correct. Okay, 73 by 12 is this 6 1 by 12 if you divide it and change it into mixed form. So Aryadipta is saying C, Viraj said B, but that's not the correct answer. Uh, Jamish said 6 1 by 12, that is correct. Janisha says C, that is correct. And others, Viraj says A, but that's not the correct answer. Uh, Divyanshi said C first, but that's also the correct answer. Well done, Divyanshi. Divyanshi came with the correct answer, I think, first this time before anybody else. Okay, so many of you guys have said C, and others have said A and B, but if you look at the explanation, it is simply a subtraction problem. You subtract 1 1 by 6 out of 7 1 by 4, you get 29 by 4 minus 7 by 6, and you get 73 by 12. And if you change it into mixed form, you get 6 1 by 12. So well done, guys. Yes, Jamish, it is 73. 87 minus 14 is 73, but divided by 12, it is 6 1 by 12. So let me check if C is the correct answer. Indeed, C is the correct answer. So well done, you guys. Whoever has tried and got the answer and tried and did not get the answer, still you'll understand at the end. So that is congrats to you guys. Congrats from my side. Well done. Well done. Okay, moving on. Okay, now tell me about this question. So 4 1 by 5 plus 9 1 by 5 minus 3 1 by 5 is greater or smaller or equal to 6 1 by 4 minus 8 1 by 4 plus 15 plus 5 1 by 4. So tell me, which one is greater or smaller or equal to or can't be determined? Come on, guys. So solve this here and solve the other one, and you can know which is greater and which is smaller. Come on, easy one. I know you guys can do it. Come on, this is an easy one. You guys can do it. So 4 1 by 5 plus 9 1 by 5 minus 3 1 by 5. So you can also, in this case, what you can do is you can just go with the whole number. So 4 plus 9 is 13 minus 3 is 10. Okay. And 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 will be 1 by 5. So 10 1 by 5 I think is the left hand side, because 9 plus 4 minus 3. So 10 will be the whole number. On the right hand side, what will happen is that 6 plus 5 is 11. And since 6 plus 5 is 11, minus 8 is 2 only. So plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4 will be 1 by 4. But the whole number itself will be what? 3 only. So I think the left hand side should be greater. What do you guys say? And option C should be correct. What do you guys say? And Jamish says C. Now Jamish has come with the answer that is the correct answer, which is greater than. You actually didn't need to even solve this question, since it has 1 by 5s, 1 by 5s, and 1 by 5s in every option in the left hand side, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 in every option. So if you just add the whole number, fractions will be 1 by 5 in the left hand side and 1 by 4 on the right hand side. Okay, Jamish has done it fully and still got that the left hand side is greater than right hand side, means C option is correct. Ayushi says C, Janesha says C. Well done, guys. Anybody else who is saying C? See, what I was saying is that this 4 plus 9, if you just check the whole numbers, minus 3 is 10, isn't it? And 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 will be 1 by 5 only. You can do it like this also. So the part will be around 1 by 5, will be 1 by 5 actually. And in this case, 6 plus 5 is 11, minus 8 is 11 minus 8 is 3 only. So whatever the parts are that thereafter, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, these are very small. So since 10 is greater than 3, so I think at first instance we can only say that C will be greater than, the left hand side will be greater than the right hand side. So let me check if C is the correct answer. C. Janesha says C, Ayushi says C, others also are saying C. So if C is there, so C is indeed the correct answer. So well done to everybody who has given the option C as the answer. So I think that will be it from us in this session, and we'll continue in the next session. I hope you enjoyed a lot, and I hope you got to learn something in a fun way. You were able to learn something on this YouTube live. So, who do you think is the legend this time? You guys tell me. I think all of you are legends, but I think Jamish this time was the ultra legend, and others were legends in their own right, isn't it? So you guys are legends, but Jamish is, I think, an ultra legend this time. So say congrats to Jamish in the chat box. Say congrats to Jamish in the chat box before bidding each other and me a good afternoon. And I wish you guys you have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed in a fun way and you will able to learn something. But before going right, congratulations to Jamish and others also. For them, I will give the congrats that you guys are what legends, and Jamish is the ultra legend. Okay, so okay. Have a nice day, everybody. Have a nice day. Hope you had a great session. Hope you were able to understand. So, bye, everybody. And write congrats to Jamish in the chat box. All right. And I give congrats to everybody. Whoever tried, whoever got many answers right, and whoever tried and got some right and some wrong. To everybody, have a nice day. Have your lunch, and good afternoon to everybody. All right.